Ride it. Ride the horsey.
Go ahead, ride the horsey, Mama. What does the horsey say?
Yeah.
Good
That's a
job.
good.
You look like a really big person on a little horse. She's really riding it.
I know. I told you she was doing it before.
Yay! You're silly. She's gonna do it again.
Nice. You gotta get on that horsey.
She rides it. She thinks it's a real horse.
Hold on to it and ride that horsey.
Nay.
Yeah.
That's right.
You do good.
Oh,
Ooh.
I know. She's not big enough to ride on, Manga. Why are you getting mad at it? Why'd you throw her?
Gotta get back on that horsey.
Oh, there she goes with shoes.
Give me a kiss.
Ah.
Ow, don't plug my eyebrow. Don't plug my eye.
She's got this thing now with like pulling out eyelashes.
On your head. I expect a cooey. I expect a cooey. I expect a cooey.
That's Mama's. Where's my other one?
Behind you.
I swear I have one
Ooh.
flip flop of every pair because she puts them somewhere and I lose them forever.
She wants to wear the other one.
Here, Bobby. No, this one's yours. See, I'm telling you, mine's gone forever. I don't know what the hell she does with them. Hey, that hit me. That's not nice. That hurt me. Okay. Why are you angry at them?